Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I hope everybody out there is having a great day. I've been spending a lot of time cutting down trees since the hurricane a couple of weeks ago and rebuilding fences and cutting down trees and just getting the property back in order here. So I've been away from the watches for a little bit, but I'm back. And I do have another watch that came in from Amazon, and I'm going to go over that in just a minute. But before I do get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers for all of your interaction with the channel. It all does help out, all of your liking and subscribing. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys and all of your comments and all of your input. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel today, I would definitely appreciate you guys heading on over to Dave the Shoeman on YouTube and checking that channel out as well. That is my other channel where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I also don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So without further ado, let's get in and check out this watch that came in today. We're going to open this up here. And it looks like, oh, this is the Invicta. I did order another Invicta. I am a very big fan of the Invicta watches. I am not sponsored by Invicta in any way. I will provide affiliate links to these watches in the description below. Even though I am not sponsored by Invicta, if you do click on that affiliate link and head on over to purchase one of these watches, it does send a couple of dollars over to me as a commission to refer you to the item, and that is definitely very much appreciated. So let's get into this box and check out which Invicta I do have here for you guys. And you know I'm a big fan of these Invictas, but a lot of times these Invictas are very, very large and obnoxious. And every once in a while you get one that's halfway decent. And this is one of those. This is one that I specifically ordered. Comes with the watch manual warranty card and all of that, where you access it online with the QR code. This watch, very, very beautiful watch. I bought this watch because it was the other version of the watch that I'm actually wearing on my wrist right now. This shark dial with the hammerhead. I really do love this watch. I reviewed this a couple of weeks ago, so check out my other reviews if you want to see the review of this watch. But it's basically the same watch. It just has the dial is actually dark turquoise as opposed to gold, and I was just a big fan of both of them. I really liked them a lot, so I wanted to have both versions. But let's check this out. Get it off of the foam here. This watch is pretty well spec'd for the price. You're not even going to believe the price of this watch, so stay tuned for that. Very good quality watch, just like the other version. Very nice quality. Very tight band. This is the Invicta Pro Diver 30024 shark dial in the turquoise dial. It does still have that wave ocean pattern around the inner dial, the outer dial and the inner bezel area, which I thought was a really nice touch. I love seeing those waves over by the indices. It does have that look of a much higher end quality, a much higher end brand watch, which I'm not gonna say the name of, but it is a very beautiful watch. It does have the logo inscribed on the side. This is a 100-meter water resistant watch, and it does have the screw down crown, which is really nice feature to lock that crown into place. Very smooth workings, nice watch, nice well designed watch with the date format and a large magnification over there. Let's check out the lume on this thing. I'll hold it up to the light here for just a second. Okay, the lume is not very impressive. It is a blue colored lume, but it is not very bright. This watch Basically has a really nice design, but the illumination capability, as you can see, is not very impressive for this watch. So this watch is a 43 millimeter, which is actually considered, in my opinion, a normal sized Invicta watch. Really nice fit on the wrist, um, as you can see by its gold counterpart here. It is a really nice, on my wrist anyway. You don't have to have a huge wrist in order to wear this watch. It is 100 meters of water resistance, which is suitable for recreational water sports in general, going to the beach and getting it wet. But definitely not for diving. You want at least 200 meters of water resistance to consider it for diving. So it's a 100-meter water resistance. It does have that flame fusion synthetic sapphire crystal for extra scratch resistance. It is a really beautiful watch all around, guys. With the stainless steel bezel, stainless steel case, stainless steel bracelet with the gold tone, really tight bracelet with the safety clasp, fold over safety clasp on it. Just a beautiful watch all around. I mean, like I said, I just bought two of them because I wanted both versions of it, the gold and the silver with the gold dial and the dark turquoise style. Turquoise is actually one of my favorite colors for these watches. I really do like it. And this watch is 4.6 stars out of almost 7,000 reviews on Amazon right now. And you can actually pick this watch up for under $70 on Amazon, under 70 bucks on Amazon right now. So I definitely jump on over there using that affiliate link below to pick it up at that price before it actually changes. And you can either get this version or this version. They're both available under the same listing for right around that $70 price range. Like I said before, bracelet quality is really nice. It does have the Japanese quartz PC32 caliber movement for precision timekeeping, and it's very reliable as a quartz watch. Quartz watches are just very reliable. So you do get a lot of spec for the money on this watch, especially for around that $70 price range. So I would definitely recommend it. So if you're looking for a great looking Invicta watch that'll definitely get you some looks, that's not too huge, that'll fit most people's wrists very nicely, and not be too obnoxious like some of the Invictas are, then I would definitely head on over and pick up this Invicta 30024. I call it the shark dial, because it has that hammerhead shark on the dial and also on the bezel. Very nice watch all around, and I can't say enough good things about it. That's why I ended up buying two of them. So if you're in the market, definitely click on that affiliate link below, head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up for yourself. Till next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would definitely appreciate you guys heading on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I also don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear as well. So till next time, I would definitely appreciate you guys clicking on that like button, thumbs up, subscribing if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. And have a great day.